Okay, so finally, I'm actually really excited about this series because we're legitimately doing our we've been doing creating software that's like really usable or even practical. All right, so the reason why we have Drake here is because we want to get this information from we want to get Drake's information from Wikipedia and create a program to do it in this video series. So I'm really excited. So Drake, Aubrey Drake Graham, okay, known professionally as Drake, okay, of course, from Canada. So what we're gonna do is, before we even start, we have to install. I don't have to do this because I already installed it, but I'm just gonna show you all install these two. Because you're like, what are we installing? We're installing request and this thing called beautiful soup. Okay, so again, learn by doing. And so when it comes to this, oh wait, I made some mistakes in this. Don't run that. Okay, so it should say pip. You should be installing, you should do pip first, and this should be lowercase b, and this should be lowercase s, and then you should end it off with a 4. My apologies. So what is happening is that when it comes to programming, there are some functions, for example, input, or even, what else did we learn? Float, that exist outside of our traditional Python. And so we can do really, really cool things, but in order for us to do these really cool things, we have to bring in packages that hold these functions. So request is going to allow us to make requests to the actual internet, and then beautiful soup allows us to work with text data, as in this is what I would call text data. Okay, so when I press enter, I'm still going to try to install it. I think it might ask me for an update, but even with me trying to install it, your code should look very similar to this, but maybe not exactly. So I'm press enter. Okay, it says already. Okay, good. Okay, requirement already satisfied. Error could not find version that satisfied the requirement. Beautiful soup 4. I believe it's beautiful soup 4. Let me just double check. Oh, it is beautiful soup 4. So we can just ignore that, but I'm pretty sure yours is gonna be longer than this. What we'll then do is utilize the code to scrape data. Okay. And so there's actually a different course or different framework of programming that deals with working with internet data, which one day I'll make a series on, or a couple series on. But here we go. So I'm gonna press enter. It's gonna ask me, okay, what URL enter the URL of the website to scrape. So this is the URL. It's gonna I'm using Google Chrome. They don't necessarily show the HTTPS. When I paste this, it's going to HTTPS. Okay, and this is the address. Okay, this is the URL to this website. Okay, so I'll press enter. Okay, it says how many lines would you like to display? I would like to display 5 lines. Let's see. So when I say 5, oh wow, that's a lot of lines. Okay, so Aubrey Graham, known professionally as Drake, is a Canadian rapper. Drake Graham. Exactly. So it's doing exactly what we want. So what we're going to do in this video series is build the code to be able to get this information into our console. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time, or click the next video.